All right, today I was working on the center console. This is the door for the center console, pretty warped and worn out. We wanted to match the rest of the design, so we covered it in vinyl. Looks really good. That'll be the new door. The next step will be to cover all the trim panels in the vinyl. This is the piece that goes around the windows. We have the trim for the pillars and the seat belts. We're going to cover all those in vinyl. All right, we're going to get started here, and we're going to cover these plastic panels in vinyl. But before we do that, we want to cover them in foam, a nice thin layer of foam. This way it hides the imperfections. Then we'll add the rubber material. So the first thing you got to do is you got to clean these parts, add the glue, add the foam, and then do the vinyl. All right, we applied the glue. We have the foam on here, and we covered the first one. Looks really good. It's going to connect right on here, and then we have to cover the whole part in vinyl, and that way they interlock together and they should look good.